Hello everyone. Today I want to make a video for you guys to show you my FPV equipped RC buggy. As you guys can see, it's a drone inspired setup where I have the GoPro session mount on the top and the FPV camera on the bottom. And also I relocated the RC receiver to the rear, to the shock tower, so I could raise the antenna for better reception. And also I have a 2.4 gigahertz signal booster right there, so that's what I'm going to use for the long range. And as you can see, I have the RC radio and my FPV goggles. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys for a spin. We're here at the Rose Bowl in Pasadena, and I'm on the north end of the field, and I'm gonna try to get all the way to the other side and come back. Hopefully you guys enjoy the ride. All right, peace. Like and subscribe. Bye.